Hey guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my channel about graphic design. And today I'm going to show you how to create a serpentine. I took this design from my Christmas illustration and what I am planning to do. I want to show you how to create serpentine, then I'm going to show you how to create Christmas tree branch. I have already such kind of tutorial, but I don't like it anymore and want to create new one. And in the third tutorial I'm going to recreate the whole design with all elements. And now let's start to create our serpentine.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Here you see the shape of serpentine, like in my illustration. I created this design a year ago and took the shape of serpentine on one of the photos what I found in internet. You can use this shape and you'll find it in the file below this video. And if you don't like this shape, you can find the shape you like, for example, on Shutterstock. So now I'm going to show you how to recreate this shape and make it gold. And let's go. Okay guys, now we need some, for example, pink color to see it and pen tool. Select it. Okay, now let's start. Select pen tool and first anchor point here, the second here, the third here, the fourth here, and the last one here. I think it was easy. Now change fill to stroke and again pen tool. You need to take a little higher here, because later we need to round it corner here. Okay, here you need like stretch your pen tool. It should be straight in shape. Okay, here the same, a little higher. Okay, now here, sorry, not here. Here select the anchor point and again stretch it. Okay, now select the dark selection this corner and rounded it, and select this corner and rounded it. Okay, the next one, select again pen tool, like this first line. Okay, here it can be not pretty, it's okay. Here a little stretch it, and the last one the same, not pretty, like this. Okay, and this shape, take here a little higher, here. Now here a little lower, Ctrl Z here. Now here stretch it in the shape and again stretch it here like this. And the last one, select this anchor point and draw here the line, and let's try to draw here like this. No, it's not work, Ctrl Z, so draw here the line, and one more line here, stretch it, and the last here. Now you can select the shape, or you can we need to smooth here a little. Select smooth tool and smooth here. Now you can select the shape, or just select direct selection tool and round it this corner, and here the same, round it this corner like this. Yes, I like it. Okay, and here we can round it more like this. Okay, our shape is ready. Let's move this. Here you see our shape, and let's select these two and bring to front. And now let's make it gold. Select the first one. Here we need to delete stroke and select black and white gradient, and now here we need this color, and here this one. Okay, now select this. It's more difficult than first one. We need here to select black and white gradient, delete this stroke, and now let's add colors. First here, the second, now this one, okay, here, guys, it's true, not easy work. The color is the main in any design, and you need to play with colors every time when you create your designs. Okay, here we need to move slider for more realistic look. Here these options 180, and let's move the slider. It's very important here. The gradient can make your design pretty or can make it ugly. Okay, that's good. Now let's select this shape and again black and white gradient. Now delete this one, stroke, and select and add, these colors here. This. Now here this. And the last one here. Okay, now it's good. And here we need just select with this tool this gradient. Now we need to write here 180. Now we need to make some changes. Select gradient tool, and here you see like ellipse. You need to move gradient like this. Okay. Yes, guys. Now we can to play here a little with gradient, or you can stay like this. Okay. Now, guys, let's delete this one and select this. Ctrl G, make it smaller and put it here. Now select rectangle tool and let's draw background. Okay, make it black and white gradient. Here black, and here we need dark gray. It's standard colors in your Adobe Illustrator. Send to back the background. And now let's write, for example, 2021. Okay, make it 200. And let's change the font here. I think it's good. And the white color. Create outlines and put the text here. Now we going to play with this shape. You can make it bigger, copy and paste it, and just play with design. It's your design feeling. I make it like I see it. You can make it like you see it. I think you can do it better than me. Okay, select these three with free and effect, blur, Gaussian blur. Wow, that's great. Now here 7. Good. Okay. Yes, guys, I like it. Now we can move more our details. You can add more details, for example, small serpentines like this. I think it will be looks very cute. Okay. It's just, I think, pretty. And the last one here. Okay. And I think a little here. Sorry guys, I can't stop. Okay, now that's great. Copy and paste this background, move it to front and select all and make clipping mask. Okay guys, our serpentine is ready. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you like my tutorial. If yes, give me a like, and don't forget that serpentine is only the beginning. In the next tutorial I'm going to show you how to draw Christmas tree branch, and in the third tutorial the whole design. And see you in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator and in the next videos about a graphic design. Bye bye guys. Mwah.